What if one letter changed your entire life? What if your past was a lie? And what if powerful people were hunting you? Welcome to Quiet English Story. In The Letter in the Rain, you will learn English through mystery, danger, secrets, and unforgettable endings. Every chapter teaches real English, easy grammar, new vocabulary, and powerful storytelling. Put on your headphones and enter the rain. The black car raced through the night. Rain hammered the windshield. Lightning flashed across the sky. Behind them, 3 black vehicles followed closely. Daniel looked through the rear window. "They're getting closer," he said. His mother nodded, but her eyes never left the road. "I know." The engine roared as she pushed the car faster. The narrow coastal road twisted along the cliffs. One mistake would send them crashing into the ocean below. Daniel's heart pounded. Everything had changed in just 2 days. He had discovered that his mother was alive. He had learned that a powerful company called Black in Black was hiding terrible secrets. And now people were trying to kill him. A loud crash suddenly echoed behind them. One of the black vehicles had hit another car while trying to overtake. But the chase continued, relentlessly, dangerously. His mother took a sharp turn. The black vehicles followed. Then she spoke. "Daniel, there is something else you need to know." Daniel looked at her. "What?" "The drive, Dave, doesn't only contain evidence against Black in Black." Her voice became quieter. "It contains a list." "A list of what?" "A list of every person they plan to eliminate." Daniel felt cold. "How many names?" His mother hesitated. Then she answered, "Thousands." Silence filled the car. Daniel stared at the flash drive inside his jacket. Thousands of lives, thousands of families, thousands of futures, all depending on what he did next. For the first time, Daniel understood the weight of responsibility. Leadership was not about power. Leadership was about protecting others when it was dangerous to do so. Suddenly, headlights appeared ahead. A large truck blocked the road. Daniel's eyes widened. "It's a trap." His mother reacted instantly. She turned the steering wheel sharply. The tires screamed. The edge of the cliff was only a few meters away. For one terrifying second, the car seemed ready to fall into the darkness below. Then, the tires found grip again. The car shot past the truck. But one of the pursuing vehicles was not as lucky. It hit the truck at full speed. The explosion lit up the night sky. Daniel looked back in shock. The remaining vehicles continued the chase. They would not stop. Not tonight. Not ever. Then a message suddenly appeared on Daniel's phone. Unknown number. Only 3 words were written. Trust no one. Daniel frowned. His mother glanced at the screen. The color drained from her face. "Impossible," she whispered. "What's wrong?" Daniel asked. She gripped the steering wheel tightly. "That message," her voice trembled. "It came from your father." Daniel froze. "My father is dead." His mother slowly shook her head. "That's what they wanted us to believe." At that exact moment, another message appeared. This one contained an address, and beneath it were 5 words. "Meet me before sunrise." Was Daniel's father really alive? And who would reach him first? Now, let's look at the grammar rule from this chapter.
In each episode, we will study one important grammar rule used in the story. I will explain when we use it, how to form it, and show you clear examples from the story and from everyday life. Don't worry if grammar seems difficult. When you learn grammar through stories, you see how native speakers use it in real situations, and that makes it much easier to understand and remember. My advice is simple. Don't try to memorize every rule immediately. Focus on understanding the meaning, listen to the examples, and repeat them aloud. With regular practice, grammar will become natural to you. Take your time, practice a little every day, and most importantly, enjoy the learning process.
By learning grammar through stories, you will not only memorize rules, you will truly understand how English works in real life. You will see how grammar is used naturally in conversations, thoughts, and everyday situations. Instead of studying isolated sentences, you will experience English in context, which makes it easier to understand, remember, and use confidently.
Now, let's learn 5 useful words from this chapter. For each word, I will explain its meaning in simple English and give you an example sentence to show you how it is used in real life. Learning vocabulary through stories is one of the best ways to remember new words because you see them in context, not as isolated words. My advice is to write each new word in a notebook, create your own example sentence, and review the words regularly.
Thank you for joining me on Quiet English Stories channel. I hope you enjoyed today's story and learned some new English words and grammar in a natural and relaxing way. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to listen every day, learn a little at a time, and enjoy the process. If you liked this story, don't forget to subscribe to Quiet English Stories channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new chapter. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and little by little, your English will become stronger and more natural. See you in the next story. Happy learning!